Hi there! Welcome to the Spoon Harbor channel. Simple ingredients with deep, rich flavor. That's French onion soup. Onions slowly caramelized to perfection, fragrant broth, and melted cheese. Let's make it. Here is what you'll need. Onions, 700 grams. Salt, 2 grams. Black pepper, half a gram, about a pinch or to your taste. Half a baguette. Beef or chicken broth, 700 milliliters. Make sure it's already salted to your taste, roughly as salty as a finished soup. Mozzarella cheese, 200 grams. Dry white wine, 100 milliliters. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. All-purpose flour, 10 grams. Sugar, 5 grams. Butter, 40 grams. The key to great French onion soup is properly caramelized onions. Let's start there. Peel the onions. Regular yellow onions work best for this recipe. They caramelize beautifully. Slice the onions into thin half rings. Try to cut them evenly so they cook at the same rate. Caramelization. Heat the butter and olive oil together. Wait until the butter is fully melted and smells nutty. Even at this stage, that cozy buttery aroma fills the kitchen. Add the onions and cook over medium heat for 25 to 35 minutes, stirring occasionally until deep golden brown. To speed up caramelization, add the sugar. Now sprinkle the flour over the caramelized onions, stir, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, you can season the onions with salt. Look how beautiful they've turned. The moisture has evaporated, and this is exactly the texture we need. Now add the pepper and stir. Pour in the wine and let the alcohol cook off. See how nicely the wine has reduced. This is what our onions look like now. Add hot broth, bring to a boil, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Give the broth a stir every now and then. Now prep the cheese. I grated it on a fine grater. French onion soup is hard to imagine without cheese. Mozzarella melts beautifully and gives that lovely, stretchy texture. Now for the final step, let's assemble the soup. Ladle the soup into oven-safe bowls. Croutons. Slice the baguette and toast it in the oven or in a pan. Place the croutons on top. Sprinkle the cheese evenly over the top. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 to 8 minutes, but keep an eye on your oven. 180 degrees for 10 minutes might work better for you. Now, time to taste. Gooey cheese, sweet onions, rich broth, a perfect combination. This is exactly the flavor that makes French onion soup worth making at home. There you have it, the perfect French onion soup. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to the channel and never miss a delicious new dish. Bon appétit!